guess I should have secured that before. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's been a while since I've posted or not posted, but like recorded an update. And really you haven't missed much. It's just been work and sleep, mostly in the car, which is kind of hard with 3 people, but we've managed. You missed, well, we caught it in the last vlog, the trip to California, which was nice. We just decided to go out there for a little bit, and then there's the trip to Prescott that I took a bunch of video for. Push-ups, getting swole. Do it, buddy.
Oh my god.
But we've been having a lot of fun. But I guess it's for the better to kind of distract us, because we finally got Darian's 6 pay stub into the apartments. But now they say they're running paperwork, and someone else is in charge of paperwork, and they're in charge of paperwork for like all of the property, like 42 different properties, and it might take them like another week or 2 to find mistakes in our application, because everything's got to be particular. She says they always find something, and then they send it back, and we have to send it back through and sit through that waiting queue again. So it could potentially be 2 more weeks at the best. At the worst, we're waiting another month. And we don't know about that. It's not great news, not ideal. It means potentially we could be doing this for another month if we don't find something sooner, which we're looking for something else, anything else. But I mean, because this place is low income housing, we kind of figured it was going to be a pain in the ass, so yeah. Oh, you might be wondering why I've got my headphones on, and I don't currently have it open, but I'm taking a swing at making music. So we'll see how that turns out. If I release anything, or if I get anything good, I'll release it definitely on the YouTube channel, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what's going on. See you whenever.